Girl, you make me go. Every time I see her in the streets, I miss the brakes and crash into a stop sign. Catch my breath and brace for death, my heart beats on like. Was it car alarms? Car alarms, not Caroline, Carolyn, it's Caroline. Laura, she's my Lara Croft. She's raiding my tunes. I'm Indiana Jones. She's the Temptress of Doom. I don't think she's ever even seen me. How do I know that this isn't just a dream? Planning and procrastinating, thinking about preventilating. Now's my chance to make a scene. Hey there, pretty lady, I'm an actor. I was in a silly movie where they all got killed. No, not really, that was just a joke. I was gonna poke fun at all those freckles on your face, but then I thought, no, that'd be going way too far. I'm a decent guy, please don't make me cry. I just wanna know you, car alarms. Car alarms, 'cause you make me go.